E-commerce SEO. What is it and how does it get your business results? In this video, I'm going to talk about the fundamentals of what goes into an SEO strategy for an e-commerce website. Let's get started. Search engine optimization, a very basic service, but very important service that's a long-term strategy for websites, especially on e-commerce. So what is it? Well, SEO is done in two parts. There's the on-page SEO, which is everything of your website. So what does that include? Basic things is the content. So the content's the words, the pictures, the videos that go into the website. Second, the theme of your website. How is it built? Is it up to date? Is the user interface friendly? Is it fast on mobile? Is it fast on desktop? These things are taken into consideration when doing SEO. So let's say we have an SEO strategy, but the website's out of date. Well, as an SEO company, we're going to revamp that website. We're going to trash it. We're going to take over by putting a new theme that's for SEO. Again, underline that, for SEO theme. It's fast, it's responsive, very interactive. It helps grab attention. Typically, you can work with an SEO company. They may or may not do websites. So keep that in mind. If you want to do SEO and your on-page SEO just isn't there, they might either outsource it or they may do the work in-house. So keep that in mind. Off-page SEO. So what it is really is everything that's pointed to your website. As an SEO company, we're going to go in. We're going to create links by writing, guest posting for your website on other websites and point it back to your website to get authority with Google. And doing this organically over time, it's supposed to give you more presence. Now, let's say you don't want to go through all that. Let's put SEO aside for a moment. Let's talk about how to just get free exposure for your website right away. Well, if you meet all the terms and conditions on the merchant center of Google, you can get free traffic on Google itself. And you probably didn't know this, but within Merchant Center, there is the free local or free ad section. Now, just having a product on your website, you may have presence for it within Google's shopping feature. Google Shopping does have a free version. All you need to do is upload your feed of products that's from your website onto Google Merchant Center, and your products will come up somewhere on Google Shopping's page. Now, this is a free service. It's not meant to get you a lot of traffic, but it's going to get you some traffic. So look into it. If you want to do, let's say, SEO for yourself, start with the basics. Have the content ready. Have the pictures ready to go. Put the alt tags for the pictures. Have good meta, title, and descriptions in place. Have a website that's fast. And to make it fast, either get a new theme or have a developer work the code to make it faster, or it could be as simple as moving hosting companies. These things make a difference. This is what goes into SEO. Any questions? We want to hear from you. Let us know what your experience has been with SEO. Comment below. We always love to hear what others have to say about it. And again, we're always here in case you have any questions. Thanks for watching.